not yet done so, you may want to add a virtual account. The virtual account gives you a play money of $100,000 to trade with. To create a virtual account, all you do is hit the add account button, and when selecting the broker, you're going to select Choice Trade Virtual. Choice Trade is our partner that powers our virtual part of this, and you just accept the terms, and it's going to literally, that's it. It's like you select virtual, accept the terms, and it's going to put the account in there for you. I don't want to add another one to this right now, so I'm not going to do that, but it does do that. You also have the ability to add Choice Trade Real accounts and TD Ameritrade Real accounts. We have other brokerage firms coming in. I know the next one that we will launch with will be E-Trade, and then we're working on a couple others as well. If you don't have an account with any of these firms that are looking to do so, there is an open account button here that will bring up some information on both of them, are the ones that we trade with, and you can do that there. So if you look at this, we have here, we have a couple open orders going on. You can see those, actually both are in Facebook. You can also then go and look at what your current positions are here as well. And let me go to my covered calls one for a moment. So here you see my covered calls. Here's my current positions and my covered calls. You can also look in here and your gains to see what your the trades that you've closed out, what those gains are. In the positions you have on, it'll show you what those positions are. And if I look at, it's going to reload that. I clicked on the one covered calls. All right. So here I have QIHU. I have a covered call going on here. If I want to take a look at this, I can click on this and analyze. And what it'll actually do is take that trade over to the options page again, ready for me to look at. So this is that current trade. And you'll notice here I have the position over listed over here. Shows you my existing position, shows you what the entry cost was, the current value, and shows you what my gain is. So I got about almost a 4% gain here with 11 days to expiration. But the other thing I want to just share with you real quick, if you look down this, you'll see right there the little red arrow, and up here the little green arrow. That's indicating I own the stock, and it's indicating I'm short this option. So let's say if I wanted to do an adjustment where, and I'm in a one lot, so I'll take my multiple down to one. I can go here and let's say I want to go buy this one back and move this up here to the 65. And we're going to sell this one. So let's say I just want to do this adjustment and roll this from the 60 covered call to the 65 covered call. So here you see the existing position. Up on top, you see the new trade you're about to do. You can look at that trade, by the way, with the by itself or with the existing position. So this is basically going to be your resulting risk graph once you do this trade. And what's really great about this is you look at this, you create the trade. And by the way, if you want more detail on any of these, there's go big buttons all over the place. You'll see this here where you have this, in my dev system, I got this little problem with the rendering. It works fine in live, but anyway, it'll show you your risk graph here in more detail. However, I've now done this adjustment. When I click trade on the adjustment, watch what happens. It knows that I have the one. I'm going to buy to close the 60 and sell to open the 65. So it knows exactly what I'm currently in. It knows that I have to close out that leg, sell that leg. And again, if I've chosen I want to do this position, all you have to do is review it, submit that, and now that trade is working for me as well. All right. So a real easy way to kind of manage through, and I'm actually going to close that one out. Cancel the trade because I don't want that one on. But it's a real easy way to kind of manage your existing positions and see how they're doing. And in fact, when you look at your positions, you can also just, because you have the score here, these are again, navigation. So I could just click the score icon. Doesn't even go away from this, still keeps my positions up here, but I can take a quick look at the chart, see what's going on there. Again, just kind of work through those, check out the positions. I got both of these are expiring in the next 3 days, so I might want to watch out for those, see how they're playing out. Again, a way to kind of easily manage through that. So